Hello friends, I am Dr. Rajnikant Dodiya, Assistant Professor of English. Welcome you all here once again. Friends, this video I am making uh, uh, due to the requests of my uh, dear students and other friends who have subscribed to my channel. They constantly asking for me to create such video on the shift 2 or shift 1 exam question paper solution of UGC NET, which was conducted on 1st of October 2020. Friends, let me clarify that these questions are only memory based questions, students memory based questions, because some of the students have memorized these questions, and they are telling to different people that these questions were asked. And this video is I think the same kind of videos are created by many UGC NET coaches, UGC NET guides and coaches. But in this video I wanted to tell you that why my videos are important, because many of the questions from these exam were asked from my videos. Whatever I have created in my videos, whatever material I have provided through my videos, the questions were based on that material. So friends, let's begin the video. First of all, which two works were published in 1859? One question was there like this, and there were two different works: A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens and Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. And who suggested to arrange the birthday party? It was Meg who suggested to arrange the birthday party. Then what Lucky carries in his suitcase? It was sand carried by Lucky in his suitcase. Then Plato's theory was defended by Sir Philip Sidney and P.B. Shelley. Yes, Philip Sidney and P.B. Shelley defended the theory of Plato. Then matching of grammatology, Jacques Derrida, a course in general linguistics, Ferdinand de Saussure. So friends, here I have marked star. A star is marked there with red color, because the same question is asked from my video. I have included around 26 questions here, and around 10 to 11 questions from this. These 26 questions were asked from my videos. Then, which is removed from the MLA's 8th publication? Place of publication is removed, friends. Place of publication. It is not important. That's why they removed this place of publication from MLA's 8th publication. Then, what is Pidgin and Creole? Pidgin is the first language which develops gradually and takes the form of Creole. So friends, once again here, this question is also asked from my video. I have created one question regarding Pidgin and Creole. You can find it in my video from language pedagogy playlist of English. So the same question is asked from my videos. Pidgin is the first language, and gradually it takes place the form of Creole. Then the Dark Lady of the Sonnets is written by G.B. Shaw. Then which of the following are the works of John Osborne? Uh, Look Back in Anger and Deja Vu. Then periodicals in chronological order: The Spectator, London Magazine, Edinburgh Review, Blackwood's Magazine. So friends, the same question I have created in my video for your reference, and the chronological order of different periodicals. I have created one video on different periodicals of English literature, and it can help you, and the same question is asked from my video. Then irony, implicit, and metaphor is explicit. Then in Paradise Lost, Milton followed the pattern of which poet? It was Virgil, whose pattern was followed by Milton in Paradise Lost. Then matching, once again matching from my videos: Interpellation by Louis Althusser, and Metonymy and Metaphor, Roman Jacobson. Then Heteroglossia by Mikhail Bakhtin, and the matchings here are asked from my videos. Friends, I created questions, not matching but questions. who gave the idea of interpellation. So it was given by Luis Althusser. So such questions I created there. One liners are I created because one liners are very easy to understand and remember. That's why I am not giving descriptive analysis of everything, because exam oriented we have to be, otherwise we cannot qualify exam. Descriptive analysis will work for you, but it will take more time for you. You have to give more time for descriptive understanding. Okay, it will given by me, but uh, in some of the videos you will find descriptive analysis or discussion on different topics of English literature, but most of the videos are created focusing on the exams, the exam, what the exam setters ask. Okay, so this is the basic idea of my channel. Then the 13th question, proviso scene appears in which act? It was act number 4 in which this particular scene, proviso scene, appeared. Then interpretive communities is written by Stanley Fish. So once again a question from my video, friends. Stanley Fish wrote this particular work, interpretive communities. Then deconstruction means nothing outside the text. It is also from my video, deconstruction by Jack Derrida, and it says that nothing outside the text. There is nothing outside the text. Then Spencer's letter to Walter Raleigh in Fairy Queen was appeared in preface to 1590 edition. Spencer letters, friends. It is also asked from my video. I forgot to mark here, but in one video of different writers of English literature, I have marked this question also. It was published in Walter Raleigh, with the help of Walter Raleigh, and this letter was appeared in preface to 1590 edition. Then encoding decoding circle of Stuart Hall, production, circulation, consumption, and reproduction. So friends, one on in one my video, cultural studies, I have outlined this question in descriptive manner. Okay, I analyzed this particular idea of Stuart Hall there. What is encoding and decoding, and what is the circle given by encoding, given by Stuart Hall on encoding and decoding. So four different things he stated: production, circulation, consumption, and reproduction. Then friends, the New York trilogy of Paul Oyster. Paul Oyster give the trilogy, New York trilogy, and it was Ghosts, City of Glass, and The Locked Room. So three different works are there in the New York trilogy. Then matching once again the valediction of weeping by John Donne. It is also a question in my video. The valediction of weeping by John Donne. Then the retreat by Henry Vaughan. Retreat by Henry Vaughan, it is also one question from my video. Then the caller George Herbert. Then the garden Andrew Marvell. Then another question, plays appeared in tradition and individual talent, Othello and Agamemnon. Agamemnon is the play, and Othello is the play which appeared in tradition and individual talent by T.S. Eliot. Then Uncle Pumblechook. Pumblechook is a character in The Great Expectations. Then who inspired Dr. Faustus to use black magic? Valdez and Cornelius. The two people were there. Valdez and Cornelius, who inspired Dr. Faustus to use black magic. Then the study of poetry is by Matthew Arnold. Yes, friends, it is also from my videos. I created one question on this. Then Jane Eyre studied in Lowood School. Lowood School, from where the study of Jane Eyre happened there. She studied there. Then Tiresias appears in the Oedipus Rex and Antigone. Oedipus Rex and Antigone, in which the Tiresias, the character of Tiresias, appears. Then the chronological order, All for Love, Volpone, past and present, and unto this last. This is the right chronological order, friends. Then, friends, these were the different questions. Around 26 questions I uh, collected here for your reference. These are the right answers, friends, and studied well. And the most important thing I want to tell you that the questions are asked from my video. The exam setters are very uh, keen to ask such questions which are very much important, or we can say significant, or we can say a different kind of questions they are asking, not the simple questions, who wrote this play or who wrote that poetry. They will not ask such questions, but the detailed question they will ask. So I analyzed many of the works and many of the books, and many of the online material as well, to create such questions, friends. You can subscribe to my channel to find out many of these videos, and outlined with the many different kinds of questions which are particularly created for UGC NET and SET exams, friends. I have focused in my mind the UGC NET exam, but it can also help to SET exams, as well as TGT and PGT exams, as well as to PhD entrance tests conducted in English departments of different universities. So, friends, and these are the topics I have discussed so far. You can find it out here. Many important topics I have discussed here, and many are discussed also after uh, discussion of these topics, because I have not added some of the latest topics here, but you will find it in my channel. Okay, friends, then you can find it here. These are the different videos I have created for your reference. And friends, the important thing I want to tell you that this my platform on English literature, UGC NET or SET exams, it is totally free for you, friends. I am not making promotional videos for my classes, or because I am not running any kind of class. Okay, I just provide videos, the content in videos, and the exam oriented questions only, to help you out there. Okay, because I like to do it, that's why I'm doing it. And one important thing is, uh, uh, it is totally free. And also I have also one Facebook group in which I provide different kind of online content, and different MCQs there. Okay, you can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe. First of all, please subscribe to my channel, Rajnikant Dodiya. Just write down there Rajnikant Dodiya, and you will find my channel there. And I'm also there on Instagram and WhatsApp and Twitter. You can also talk to me on WhatsApp. Many calls and many messages I am receiving every day from all over the country, and I am replying to each and every message. I talked to many students on their confusions, on their uh, questions. So, friends, I am here to help you out, because I don't want to earn from you. YouTube will give me money. Okay, YouTube will provide me money, because this channel is made on YouTube. So YouTube will provide me money uh, for helping you. Okay, I don't want money from you. So, friends, please share my videos if possible, share my channel if possible, and suggest to those who are in real need of such videos, such free portal. Okay, because some of the students are there in our country, they cannot pay much, they cannot pay money for classes, for learning something. Okay, because their conditions are like that. Okay, and I was there in that kind of condition in my childhood, so I understand that kind of condition, friends. So here, as a professor, as an assistant professor, I am helping you out here. And please suggest my channel to those who really need it, and tell them to subscribe also, so that they can have my latest videos as soon as possible. Okay, then, friends, you can also follow me on my blog. On my blog I have uploaded many of the important materials regarding UGC NET exams, as well as MCQs, as well as everyday posts are there. Then apart from that, I have uploaded the old question papers of set exams as well as UGC NET exams. All the question papers with answer keys I have uploaded there, so you can download them and you can read out them for your preparation. Okay friends, then till then, thank you so much for listening me, and thank you very much once again.